where there's like no snow ever. Like the only snow I've got was hail in like first grade, and it's pretty exciting. We've been building snowmans and then breaking them. She has ducks, so we were playing with the ducks, and we were shoveling snow all day. It's pretty fun, because I haven't been in snow in a really long time.
Mountains, they're usually just brown, a few green things, never white, and usually a blue sky with a few clouds. Maybe a light sprinkle sometimes.
Yep.
This morning we had like a foot and a half of snow, and I couldn't go to work. We live on top of a hill, so all of our whole entire road was covered in snow. Rainfall that we've had in the past couple of months, and then this has been the ongoing storm for about a couple of days now. So the snow hit probably about 2 days ago, and it's been just building overnight.
It's not usual for Southern California to have this kind of weather, so it is nice because I don't have to drive somewhere to enjoy this weather. Of course, I can't go snowboarding or anything here, but I still enjoy the fresh air the snow brings, and just snow is fun. A lot of people probably anticipated needing to stock up and having power outages and closures on the roads, which we've had before, especially with the mudslides and the flooding. I think that is one of the biggest concerns, is we are looking at a lot of rainfall, snow. The snow will melt, and the wind, and we worry about the mudslides and the flooding since we've had it twice already.